Students, I am going to revise whatever you have learned in my previous lectures. First, we have learned number systems, natural number. All counting numbers are natural number. Natural number start from 1. Whole number, all natural number together with 0 is called whole number. Smallest whole number is 0. Then even number, a number which is divisible by 2 is called even number. A number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd number. Prime number, a number which has two factors, 1 and number itself is called prime number. Composite number, a number which has more than two factors is called composite number. Smallest composite number is 4. Okay, then we have learned smallest natural number 1, smallest whole number 0, smallest even number 2, smallest odd number 1, smallest prime number 2, smallest composite number 4. Okay, now integers, all negative numbers, positive numbers and 0 is called integers. We can represent integers on number line. Okay, and then we have learned the rules of integers, how to add the integers and multiply the integers. Same sign rule, first is same sign will be added and we use the sign of greater number. Different sign will be subtracted and we use the sign of greater number. Multiplication of same sign will be positive. Multiplication of different sign will be negative. Okay, and then I have learned properties of addition. We have learned three properties: closure properties, commutative properties and associative property. So first, closure property over addition. When we take two integers and we add them, we get integers. That is closure property. If we take two numbers, means two integers, and we change their order, we get result same. That is called commutative property. If we take three numbers together and we change their groups and we find the same result, that is associative property. Now we will learn properties of multiplication. Okay, now first, closure property. Closure property. If we take two numbers, means two integers, 2 and -3, and multiply it, we get -6. It is integers, means product of two integers are integers. Okay, this is closure property. So it is closed under multiplication. Second, commutative property. If we take two numbers, -4 into 6, and we change its order, 6 into -4, you will see -4 into 6, -24, 6 into -4, -24, we get same result. means commutative properties for integer. It is commutative for integer. Now third, associative. When we take three numbers together, 4 plus minus 5 plus minus 2, and we group first two numbers and then we write 4 plus minus 5 plus minus 2, and now we group second and third number and we solve it. Minus 5 plus 4 minus 1 plus minus 2, 4 plus minus 5 minus 2 minus 7, because same sign will be added, but we use the sign of greater number. We get minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, and 7 minus 4 minus 3. Same sign will be added, sign minus. Different sign will be subtracted. We use the sign minus because minus minus is the larger number signs. So you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side. It is associative property. Now we will explain distributive property. Distributive property. This property is very important. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. A into B minus C is equal to A into B, A into C. You have already learned about this property in class 6. Look at the board and listen to me carefully. A is outside the bracket, and here we multiply A into B, then again we multiply A into C. Same as here we multiply A into B and put the minus sign, and again B multiply A into C, means A, we distribute A into B, A into C. Here you can see A into B and A into C. Now we will check by take some example. Suppose 4 into 2 plus 3. Apply this property, 4 into 2 plus 4 into 3. Check the result. 4, 2 plus 3, 5. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 5 ja 20. 12 plus 8, 20. You can see we get the same result. Means it is verified that this property is True. Now we take some other example. -4 into -2 plus 2. Okay. Now -4 into -2, and again 4 into -4 into 2, and check it. -4 into -2 plus 2, 0. -4 into -2, 8. Multiplication of same sign will be positive. Plus -4 into 2, -8. Multiplication of different sign will be negative. -4 into 0, 0. 8 minus 8, 0. You can see property is verified. Both sides are equal. We get same result if we solve right hand side and left hand side. Now we take some more example to explain distributive property. If we want to multiply 242 into 102, okay, so first it is not easy to multiply fast, so we split 102 into 100 plus 2, okay, 100 plus 2. It is the form of distributive property. 242 into 100, and now 242 into 2. 242 into 10, 100, and then 242 into 2. Now it become very easy to solve. 242, 100, 2 and double 0. 24,200 plus 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 2 to the 4, and now we add 4, 8, 4 to 6, 4 and 24,000 and 24,684. Okay, it is very easy. If you use the distributive property, calculation will be very easy. Okay, now I am giving you some question for homework. First, 423 into 975 plus 25 into 423. Second, 7,289 into 1025 minus 7,289 into 25. Question number third, minus 68 into minus 25 plus minus 75 into minus 68. Now question number 4, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Question number 5, 8 into 53 into minus 125. Okay, you have to do all 5 questions at home. If you don't understand, if any problem about this question, you can ask me through WhatsApp or you can call me also. Okay, now I will explain some question. Write down it. Now I will explain some questions related to this property, and it helps you to solve the homework. Two hundred 48 into 178 minus 248 into 78. Students, 248 and 248 are common, is common, sorry. So we take 248 as a common, and here 178 minus 78 you have to write in bracket. Now first we have to solve the bracket. 178 minus 78, 100, and 248 and double zero, 2400, 24,800. It's very easy. If you multiply 248 into 178, then you have to multiply 248 into 78, then subtract that. It is long process, and if you apply the distributive property, it is very easy to solve. Okay, and you have to do questions whatever I have given you for homework. With the help of this example, you can do easily. Now I am explaining one more question. 60 into 20, 60 into 25 into minus 10. Listen to me carefully and look at the board. 16 into 25. If you multiply 16 to 25, 16 5 ja 80, carry 8, 16 2 ja 32 or 8, 400, and minus 10 is minus 400 and 0, minus 4000. We take one more example. Fifteen into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. If we change the order, 15 into minus 10 and minus 25 into minus 4. Okay, it is easy to multiply minus 25 by minus 4. and 15 by minus 10 minus 150 and 25 4 the 100 minus into minus plus, so plus 100. If you don't put the plus sign, there is no problem. Minus 150 into 100, 15 and triple 0, 15,000. But you have to put the sign a minus sign, because multiplication of different sign will be negative. Okay, using the distributive property, associative property, commutative property, it is very easy to solve the question or calculation. Very easy to calculation and solve the questions. Okay, now in my next lecture I will discuss about the sum properties of division, and then we will start our next chapter, fractions. Okay.